Alright YouTube, you know the drill. We're back at it again. More dislikes on Canada Custom Go on the videos. Wow. Man, this is unbelievable strange.
Grabbed along the
Now,
boards by Raquel.
this has 10
Solid
dislikes
check to slow him
on this
down.
video and 10 dislikes
Takes
on
it
this
across
video.
the blue line. Moves right
What?
to the middle. They score!
Guys,
Short-handed.
I never got many of these, I'll tell you that, Jake. What a boost if we can get one.
This video and this
Grabbed
video,
along the boards by Raquel.
you gotta stop. You gotta stop disliking Canada Custom Go Horn videos, and I'm not sure who's doing this. Oh man, let's see. 9 dislikes on this one. 1 dislike on that one. 1 dislike on that one. 8 dislikes on that one. 2 dislikes on that one. 0 dislikes on that one. Good. Okay, I think this video and this video has dislikes. Ugh. Can someone tell me in the comments who is doing these crazy stuff?